Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising
Several
voice
Ika communities currently in Edo State have openly declared their support for the creation of Anioma State and announced their intention to leave Edo State to be included in the proposed Anioma State. From Igbanke to Owarezo, community leaders and residents have made their position clear and consistent. Ika must be part of Anioma State. According to them, Anioma State should include all Anioma people, regardless of current state boundaries. Ika communities explain that their demand is based on shared history, language, and culture. They identify as Igbo people and say their traditions, customs, and dialects align closely with other Anioma communities in Delta State. For them, inclusion in Anioma State is about correcting historical boundaries and restoring cultural unity. Supporters of the move say the inclusion of Ika communities would bring several advantages to Anioma State. First, it would strengthen Anioma's cultural and demographic base by uniting people with the same identity under one state. This would promote stronger unity, cooperation, and a clearer sense of belonging among Anioma people. Second, adding Ika communities would increase the population and economic strength of Anioma State. Ika land is known for agriculture, commerce, and human capital, which could boost economic activities, attract investment, and increase federal allocation to the new states. This will support faster development in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and job creation. Third, the inclusion would improve political balance and representation. A larger and more united Anioma State would have a stronger voice at the federal level, allowing it to better advocate for the interest of its people and attract national projects and institutions. The Ika communities emphasize that their demand is peaceful and constitutional, calling on the federal government and the National Assembly to consider their requests during discussions on state creation and boundary adjustments. As the movement for Anioma State continues to gain momentum, the declaration by the Ika communities adds a new and significant dimension, reinforcing the arguments that Anioma State is not just about territory, but about identity, unity, and equitable development.
Your Excellency, sir. Yes. Anioma Demma. Anioma Kweli. Igbanke Kweli. Your Excellency, they being represented by the Chief of Staff. I am here representing the people of Igbanke. Igbanke is 6 autonomous kingdoms wrongly bounded in Edo State in 1991. There is a natural boundary that bounded us out of Edo State, but out of some political chief, we were placed under Edo State. Today, we are supporting the creation of Anioma State under Southeast political zone. Thank you. We have submitted our memoranda during the public hearing at Enugu State, Akwa Ibom State, and Bayelsa State. And our memorandum is very clear that we don't want to be in Edo State anymore. Yes. We don't have any affinity when it comes to names, language, culture, trade, or whatever. Our local government, which is Urionwo, we don't have access to it. Before we can access our local government, we have to pass through 2 different local governments, which is Umuode local government in Edo State and Agbo, a cast out in Edo State. We can't continue to do this. The rate of marginalization from the state is much because why? We are Ika people, and when we go to Benin or any Edo place, they call us Owika and Owigbo. Yes. Now we have stand and come to say yes, we are answering that name, Owigbo and Owika, because we are joining our kith and kith in Anioma State. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, We stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.